Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be making some jack stands. So we bought 15 of these 2x4x8 pieces of wood, and we're going to be cutting them to 16-inch pieces. And let me get to marking them, every single one of them, and then I'll start cutting. Now that all 14 pieces have been marked, I'm going to start cutting them one by one. So we're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces out of each 2x4. Now that we have all these 2x4s cut up, we decided to go with 16 2x4s that measure 16 inches across. And then for the top piece, there's gonna be 4 20-inch pieces, just because the rim is wide on these cars, so we think this is going to give it more surface to sit on. So we're going to line them up like this and then put the 2x4 across. Then once we have the corners lined up, we're going to run one screw down on each corner. We're gonna keep doing this all the way up. Once I have this piece back here with one screw and one screw, then I run one more screw on each corner. So there's 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so now we're down to our last 4. These are the 20-inch pieces, and I got the center of these and these last 2 16-inch pieces. And what I'm gonna do is center one of the 20 inches onto this bottom 16 piece, and then these last 2 20-inch pieces are gonna go all the way at the end. So this gives us a bigger opening right here for the rim to sit. What we ended up with. It's a bit wider up here, and we could also flip this around and use it this way. The only problem we're running into right now is getting the car high enough to sit on these jack stands, but we'll figure it out. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC films, and we'll catch you in the next one.